Hair is drawn into the curl chamber where it is heated and timed to create perfect curls and waves every time. Digital temperature display. Tangle protection. Directional buttons and beep alerts. 9 feet, 2.7 meters. Swivel cord for convenience. Packaging may vary. Digital temperature display. Includes preset temperatures. Low 370 degrees Fahrenheit for fine hair. Medium 390 degrees Fahrenheit for medium hair. High 410 degrees Fahrenheit for coarse hair. Includes adjustable heat-up times. 15 seconds for Fine Haira. 17 seconds for medium hair. 19 seconds for coarse hair. Product description. Create flawless curls and waves at the push of a button with the Kai Spin N curl. Hair is drawn into the curl chamber where it is heated and timed to create perfect curls and waves every time. The digital temperature display offers easily adjustable temperature settings and a selection of preset temperature settings for each hair texture, creating a customizable styling experience while avoiding unnecessary heat damage. Ceramic heat technology produces far infrared heat while the conditioning benefits of negative ions results in shinier, healthier and more beautiful hair. Curling hair has never been so effortless with the Kai Spin N curl. Top reviews from the United States. Deserves 6 stars. I always thought that my hair would not curl. I have Brazilian hair and for the most part have worn it straight my entire life. This hot iron is a game changer. It is so easy to use and gives me the most luscious curls or blowout look in 10 minutes or less. I highly recommend. Run, don't walk.